Replacing this panel, and I'm going to be replacing this panel. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. First off, the panel you need to replace, take a screwdriver, put it on the panel, open it up like you would a can, and you want to cut from the start here down. So you'll take your electric snips, just below the chink line. You want to get above the other panel. Once you have that, you just take your hand, pull the panels out, styrofoam panels that you can, and where you can, just go ahead and cut it, okay? Snap that off, and we'll save those, or if you got other ones, that's fine. So now in this section here that you're taking out, you're going to pull these screws. Granted, this will be on the wall, which is no problem. Okay. So then do the same thing here. Take this panel out. What I want to do is cut this nail strip here. It doesn't matter if you damage it; it's already done. That's just to get that out. Okay, now we have our panel. I'll mark 27 1/4. So we're going to cut this top part out, and we're going to leave this nail strip. The easiest way to help you out is to take a 2x12, screw the panel down to the 2x12 so it doesn't move. So now you'll take your flat bar, and you tap it in. You just want to open this lock a little bit. 27 1/4. Then you just take your utility knife, make sure that it's smooth on the sides, and you'll take that, you slide it in here. What you want to do is get it up into this point here, and you just want to score it. And you'll see when it starts grabbing, you know it's scoring it. Okay, so we back the screw out now. Go to your 27 1/4. You want to snip this way, and you want to open this up, snip it that way. Okay, now with that snipped open, you want to take your pliers, you grab this panel just to get started, and then you want to go work it back and forth, and see that'll snap the material. And then fold it up, and then just keep going back and forth. You might want to wear gloves when you do this. And the reason you want to do this is it gives you a nice straight flat edge. It's not going to be waving like when you use tin snips or electric snips. Okay, so you can see when you cut it all the way back, it stopped right there. So this panel will go up underneath the other one, and then this one you'll screw to the wall. So I'll pull this up and I'll repeat it on my long one, and I'll show you after that. Okay, what we did is we cut a little bit of the foam off here, so it makes it easier to lock. We'll take this, get it started on the top, just a little bit, and then down at the bottom, and snap in, and then you slowly push that end up, and then this goes in to the groove. If the panels are having a difficulty getting in, you can cut a little bit off the bottom lock to help you insert the panel, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, once that happens, then you can go ahead and put your screws in here. No foam in the last piece, guys. So no foam, take that out. Line them up. That way you can flatten it down and get it to lock in. Like that. Now when you're done, you get some small torque head screws. Put a screw right here in the chink line area. Get a brown color or whatever. Do that about 3 times on a panel, and that'll hold everything else in. And then if the lap here isn't quite flat, go ahead and put a little star-headed screw in there, and that'll suck it down in. And that's how you replace it.